I am Washington Otieno. I'm a Kenyan by nationality working for CABI International, in brief CABI, as a global coordinator of Plantwise program. In CABI terms, we call it Plantwise Program Executive. I've worked in Plantwise since 2013, March, and my role has changed a bit from coordinating it in Africa to the global level. Plantwise is essentially targeting food security. Is targeting food security by aiming to reduce crop losses to plant health problems by giving good advice to farmers, but working through partners, mostly government institutions, but lately also some private sector organizations with interest in farming. We operate in 3 continents, Africa, Asia, and the Americas, now 34 countries, and with varying degrees of success. But we've been able to build capacity, have, at the moment, many plant doctors trained, close to 3,000 plant clinics, and we've reached very many farmers with this good advice. In the process of running plant clinics, we also capture data on the common problems and the common recommendations for their solutions. And this helps countries build databases on crop health, and these databases this data, or the data in these databases, really helps them to know when a new problem is occurring and also to decide on the action to correct this problem. Plantwise has had to evolve because when it was started out, we didn't know what we would find out in the farmer. So sometimes country needs or farmer needs did vary. Some aspects of our intervention were quite strongly leveraging in what certain countries already had. So as it evolved, we ended up now, instead of using mostly paper-based forms to collect data, we are also getting into the use of tablets. We have developed a lot of ICT applications. If we are to win this, or even if we don't, the money we get here will help us do 2 things. One is to consolidate the use of these applications in the countries where they are already being applied, not all the 34, but in 10, or increase the number of countries with these applications and consolidate in the ones we started earlier. Use of these applications as opposed to use of non-digital devices brings one thing: efficiency. Whereas in the earlier paper-based system, from point of data collection to the time it is harmonized and used, it will take 105 days. Use of these tablets has reduced that to just 2 days. Within 2 days, you can take action before a pest establishes and spreads. So that is the area we'd want to focus on. The other area we'd want to focus on is that there are also private sector players in agricultural development. They also have interests in improving their supply chains of crop or plant-based agricultural products. But our practices, which are based on integrated pest management, would really contribute in making their produce compliant with market requirements. So that is also an area we can intervene in terms of providing information focused to deal with specific crop value chains.